All right. Next in our parade of graph things, let's talk about elasticity. So elasticity is this notion that we know that the demand curve looks like this. So this means that as the price is really high, fewer people will buy it, right? So we're quantity 1 right here, but if the price gets really low, more people will buy it for quantity 2. So the question is, what happens when the demand curve doesn't look like that and it looks more like this? So let's say the demand curve looks a little more like this. So if the price is really high, this many people buy it. But if we drop the price way down, fewer, but it's a lot, more people buy it, but it's not as many more. So elasticity kind of asks the question, if the price goes up, fewer people will buy it. That's the law of demand. But how many fewer? So this kind of charts out what's the change in price for, how does that affect quantity demanded? So what if so this is what we call inelastic right here. Meaning we have a big price change and we have this little teeny quantity change. Okay, so we have this price change that's, there's our first price. This is a giant difference right here. But we have this little difference in quantity. Okay, so what if we had an elastic curve that looked a little more like this? Here's demand. So this is elastic. And in an elastic curve, we can have a little price change. We're just changing the price from here to here, right? So this much. That's it. But look at the quantity change. It went from here to here. And that is a big difference. So in an elastic situation, we have a relatively small price change that causes a humongous quantity change. And that would be elastic. So that's it. That's the deal. That's what I got. That's elasticity.